The two three-way switches are positioned at different locations, such as opposite ends of a hallway or two entrances to a room. In between the two three-way switches, you have a four-way switch, which is typically placed in an intermediate position. The four-way switch serves as a junction point in the circuit. It has no on or off position and doesn't control the light directly. When you flip either of the three-way switches, it changes the state of the four-way switch, redirecting the electrical path to the light fixture. The four-way switch allows for the unique feature of controlling the light from multiple locations without needing a separate three-way switch at each one. This setup is commonly used in larger rooms, hallways, or staircases where you want to control the lighting from more than two locations. Turn on the power of the first three-way switch to the on position. It completes the electrical circuit and allows power to flow. Power travels from this switch to the common terminal and then to one of the traveler terminals. At the second three-way switch in location 2, it's in the off position. It will block the flow of power. So when you turn on the current flow to the light and light turn on. After this you turn off the switch, then light turn off. When you turn off one ST three-way switch, then current flow to the next switch, and if four-way switch is on position, then current flow to next three-way switch. If this switch is also on position, then light turn on. And after this all, if anybody turn off four-way switch or intermediate switch, the light again turns off. I hope you will understand the basic concept of three-way switches, and also four-way switches. We can use these types of switches in many places, from where we can control lights from different places. If you like our video, please like, and for more informative videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks, bye.